boost in healthcare services for Taylor County. I'm Mayor Sargent in Perry. It's been almost 2 months since the opening of Dr. Memorial Hospital's brand new emergency room. Patients tell me there's been a noticeable improvement in services here, facilities that are changing perceptions of the rural healthcare landscape. Structural and staff revamps at Doctors Memorial Hospital in Perry are changing the times for patients.
Our nurses and doctors in a lot of cases are local people that we know and we trust them.
They were going to save me. I mean, it was just so obvious, and I was pretty close to not being here.
Susan Baxley came to DMH in critical condition, a place she had reservations about before, but she was surprised to find.
And she leaned over and she patted my shoulder and she says, "Well, look here, how you doing this morning?"
It was a home away from home at a time when she needed it most.
Just very, very proud and very happy that our hospital was growing with the times.
Neighbors reported in a community health needs assessment survey by the Florida Department of Health that 2 challenges were healthcare access and prevention services. These were identified as priorities moving forward. That was in 2022. Those goals have been a focus of an 18-month-long project here, responding to patient feedback, with a big overhaul to bring in new staff, new programs, and new facilities. Why is that important that you kind of keep that progressive outlook on the healthcare you provide?
Well, we want to break what tends to be a stigma of rural healthcare sometimes. Oh, it's rural, it's not going to be as good.
The next big hospital is in Tallahassee, over 45 miles away.
When people move to a new community, they look at the schools and they look at healthcare often. And we're going to take care of the healthcare piece.
Patient commitment that's felt in full force by many in this community.
Really great to be able to come to a hospital that's it's housed with your friends.
I'll always come here, you know, because I think they've got the right path.
Staff here tell me the goal is to continue to build on these programs and facilities, taking patient feedback into consideration. In Perry, Mayor Sargent, ABC 27.